Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you guys. It is just in case you never known before that ChatGPT recently, about a week ago, no less than a week, that they release a new feature that is previewing your code. Yes, it is previewing your code. And for me, actually, I'm using it for website designs. I'm not using it for Python or JavaScript. It's supposed to be ChatGPT able to run or debug your code. So when you do code in ChatGPT, it will be a preview feature. I will show you. Okay, this is my ChatGPT. I'm using the paid one. Let's say I'm create a simple website that look like a meta. See what? Wait for ChatGPT writing the code. As you can see here, the preview button, preview your output over here. Let me zoom for you. Okay, I'm unable to click it yet since ChatGPT is still writing the code. Just wait for a while, maybe 1 minute. Oh, that's it. This is only the preview. Let's see. Okay, preview. Wait, something ChatGPT. Not so good. I can see nothing on the preview. Just write me the dummy homepage look like meta. Okay, it's still writing the code. I've heard about DeepSeek. Have you ever tried DeepSeek? Please put on the comment below. They say I've heard that DeepSeek do better than ChatGPT. I've never tried before, so let's try preview. Why no preview? Why no preview? Wait a while. I can see nothing on the preview pane. Okay. Let's refresh. ChatGPT asked me to refresh. And then let's try it again. Preview. Nothing shown here. Okay, never mind. The thing is, this is the new feature. I don't know why my Meta lookalike website doesn't show up. Didn't show up on this preview pane. Maybe because it's just very new on ChatGPT. So I think you have the idea. Let's try by yourself. And that's it. This video. I hope you can get insight on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.